I got Blee's camera. Whoa, little sunshine. I just taping the cute little birdies under my deck. That's what's neat about having these cameras. You can get nature at its finest. So I've got this cool closet here. Some old toilets I'm not using, screen doors, a little bit flashing, good battery sitting there. Of course, beer bottle. But yeah, I pulled this other toilet out of here. I have a couple of them. I was pulling the trash out. Look at that cute little guy sleeping in there. That's nature though. That's so beautiful. Just want to sit and look at that for an hour. If I can zoom in on it. How do you zoom with this thing? There it goes. Makes it shaky though. But yeah, I almost picked that up with my hand. Thank God I was using a stick. Ugh, I thought it was just a piece of paper. Well, still got this one to worry about. Find a fucking puppy in that one.